Hi, this is Raymond again and welcome dito sa Noy Finance. So for today's video, we're going to talk about Union Bank Rewards Credit Card and yung kanyang bagong promo na no annual fee for life. This video and this promo is actually in partnership with Moneymax. So mamaya i-explain ko syempre ano si Moneymax and kung ano yung mechanics ng ating promo. Rewards Credit Card is actually the version of Union Bank dun sa Citibank Rewards Credit Card. So matatandaan natin, in-acquire ni Union Bank si Citi, yung kanyang consumer business, and syempre kailangan niyang i-rebrand yung mga credit card nito at yun na nga yung nangyari. So kung matatandaan nyo rin, si Citi Rewards Credit Card is considered one of the best rewards credit card dito sa Philippines. And good thing si Union Bank is minentain niya lang yung mga features ng credit card na nakuha niya from Citi. So bago natin i-check yung features nitong Union Bank Rewards Credit Card, syempre kung gusto mo yung mga ganitong klase ng videos about personal finance, investing, credit cards, I hope you can, of course, subscribe to this channel and, of course, click the bell icon para ma-notify kayo pag meron tayong mga bagong videos. So, as a rewards credit card, itong si Union Bank Rewards Credit Card, ang main feature niya is, syempre, madaling mag-accumulate ng points para makakuha ka ng mga rewards. For this credit card, you can earn 1 point per every 30 pesos lang na spending. So, considered yan na isa sa pinakamababang spending requirement to earn 1 point. At ang maganda pa sa credit card na to, nag-earn siya ng points sa online shopping and sa food delivery. Kasi nga most cards talaga hindi pa nagbibigay ng points sa mga ganyan transactions. This feature of this credit card is you can get 3 times points pagdating sa shopping and sa dining both locally and sa abroad. Shopping and dining, isa yan sa mga pinaka-common na spending na ginagawa ng isang tao, no? So for you to earn 3 times points, okay, sa isang credit card dahil kakain ka sa labas, dahil magsha-shop ka, which you normally do naman, talagang napakaganda ang benefit. Tapos ang kinaganda pa nun, hindi lang siya locally dito sa Philippines, pero kung lumabas ka sa ibang bansa, mag-abroad ka, ganun din, mag-earn ka rin ng 3 times points every time you shop and dine. Then, you can use those points to redeem different items like merchandise, gadgets, minsan appliances, meron din dyan gift vouchers, pero ako personally, ang favorite ko talaga is cash credit, no? So maganda yon kasi direct na bayad mo na yun doon sa card. Ngayon pag-usapan naman natin yung promo na sinasabi natin for this credit card, which is no annual fee for life. This promo is actually in partnership with Moneymax. So for those of you na hindi familiar kay Moneymax, Moneymax is actually like a marketplace for finance, no? So para siyang Lazada ng finance. So meron silang ino-offer dyan na mga credit cards, merong mga insurances, loans, and iba-iba pa. They also post articles na talaga makakatulong sa atin pagdating sa pag-handle ng mga finances natin, kung paano tayo makakatipid, makakapag-budget, and iba-iba pang mga bagay. Now, for you to qualify for the no annual fee for life promo nitong credit card na to, all you have to do is to use the link in the description. So, after mo mag-apply and ma-approve yung credit card mo, all you have to do is to spend at least 20,000 pesos within 60 days from credit card approval, which of course, kailangan ilaan nyo yon dun sa mga bagay na talagang paglalaanan nyo na rin naman ng pera, which is for example, grocery, o kaya meron kayong item na plano naman na talagang bilhin, o meron kayong planong bayaran. So, yun talagang gagamitan nyo rin naman ng pera para hindi masayang. Kasi kunwari, bibili ka ng bagong iPhone para makuha mo yung no annual fee for life, hindi mo naman kailangan ng iPhone, di parang talo ka rin, di ba? So, mas maganda, gamitin mo siya dun sa mga bagay na talagang paggagastusan mo rin naman. When it comes to 60 days from credit card approval, kung hindi nyo alam kung kailan kayo mismo na-approve, mas maganda tawagan nyo si Union Bank para itanong kung kailan kayo na-approve, and from there, makakalculate nyo na kung until kailan yung 60 days. Promo is until January 31 of this year, 2025 lang. So, better na kung may plano kayo mag-apply nitong Union Bank Rewards Credit Card, gawin nyo na kasi sayang yung no annual fee for life. And kung interested din kayong applyan yung iba pang Union Bank credit cards katulad ng U-Visa, katulad ng kanilang Miles Plus, ng kanilang Union Bank Lazada credit card, katulad ng Cebu Pacific credit card, pwede nyo ring i-check yung link sa baba dito sa description para makapag-apply kayo, and yung iba dyan merong mga welcome gift. So for example, si Union Bank Miles Plus Visa Signature, meron kang makukuhang free 30,000 miles kapag nag-spend ka ng at least 40,000 pesos within 60 days from credit card approval. For Lazada credit card naman, you can get 5,000 pesos Lazada wallet credits if you spend at least 40,000 pesos within 60 days from credit card approval. And of course, si Union Bank U Visa Platinum, alam naman natin na isa to sa pinakamagandang credit card, no? Because this is actually the Citi Simplicity Plus card of Citibank. So wala siyang annual fee for life, wala siyang late payment fee, wala siyang over limit fee, and meron pa siyang rebate pag na-interesan ka as long as bayad mo yung minimum amount due. So kung interested kayong applyan yung mga credit cards na nabanggit ko from Union Bank, check the link in the description para makapag-apply na kayo through Moneymax and of course, receive a welcome gift from them. When it comes to Union Bank Rewards Credit Card, ako personally, talagang okay sa akin yung mga points, yung mga rewards. Kasi nga, nagagamit ko yan to pay directly dun sa credit card. So, nakakatipid ako. And minsan, talagang meron silang mga booster, no? Pagdating sa points, katulad ditong sa credit card na to, meron siyang 3 times points pagdating sa dining and sa shopping. So, to have that kind of benefit, plus, wala kang binabayarang annual fee taon-taon, talagang malaking bagay yun, no? So, talagang parang puro benefits lang yung nakukuha mo. Provided na nababayaran mo palagi on time and in full yung iyong statement balance. Okay? Syempre, para hindi magkaroon ng bad credit history sa Union Bank. And para dun sa mga gustong humabol dun sa promo ng Union Bank Rewards Credit Card na no annual fee for life, tandaan nyo, no, until January 31, 2025 na lang siya. So, better na mag-apply na kayo ngayon. And that's it guys. I hope nagustuhan nyo tong video natin about the Union Bank Rewards Credit Card. So, kung nagustuhan nyo, of course, click the like button and of course, share this to your friends para syempre alam din nila yung promo, no? Baka gusto nilang humabol, okay? Again, this is Raymond from Noy Finance and I'll see you in the next video.